Dude, I can't take your money. Come on.
No, take it easy.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, you've helped me out.
Yeah? Morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Z. How are you today, sir? You trying to karate chop me in half?
Heck yeah.
Z, a couple weeks ago, we went and tried to find a chicken fried steak. We weren't so lucky.
No, they kicked us out.
They gave us the cold shoulder, some might say. Since then, I've been on a mission, man. I found another spot. I found a spot that's been in business for about 40 years.
It's a long time.
Place we're going to, it's called Snooty Fox. You ever hear of it?
Nope.
I think you'd also be pleased to know, within my research, I also found that they have a pretty hearty tuna sandwich for you.
Ooh.
Yeah, dude. We're going to hit 2 birds with 1 stone.
Country fried steak and tuna.
No, chicken fried steak.
What's the difference?
I don't know. So yeah, the last time I tried to get chicken fried steak, because remember, I've never had it before, wasn't a good experience. Went down to Surfing Donuts in Mission Viejo, completely turned away. So hopefully this is a much better experience. I couldn't find much information on the restaurant, the Snooty Fox, other than on the Yelp page, it says they're open from early to 3 p.m. So I went ahead and called and verified that those were their hours. I also saw that they had outdoor seating during COVID. I think that guy's gonna turn around. What's up? How are you, man? What's up, man?
Not much.
Hey, all right. It's an oldie.
I rode over here 2 days ago before my birthday. And I had my birthday yesterday, and I was like, no, screw it.
Well, happy birthday, dude.
Thanks, man.
Happy 25th.
Did you eat lunch yet?
Nah.
I'll buy you a birthday lunch.
All right.
Have you ever had a chicken fried steak?
Long time ago.
I've never had one, man. We're on the mission.
Is it called a country fried steak?
Yeah, what's a...
It's called either way.
You're the expert.
I'm not the expert.
You've proven that you know more about it than we do.
I don't know where that came from, but now you are the expert.
Well, it's basically because it's steak dipped in egg wash and then batter and then fried.
Just like they do in the country.
What's your channel, Peter?
Faz, F-A-Z-Z, 103.
Faz 103.
The more Z's, the better.
The sprinklers.
Hey.
What's up?
Good to meet you.
What's up, man? How are you?
Hey, are you guys gonna go get lunch?
Yeah.
That's for you guys.
Oh, get out of here.
No,
Why don't you come with us?
I have work.
Dude, I can't take your money. Come on.
No, take it easy.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, you've helped me out.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Dude, thanks so much,
I
man.
appreciate it.
What's your name? Can I put you in the video?
Sure, Cameron.
Cameron.
Yeah. Hey,
Cameron, my man.
take it easy.
Hey, lunch on Cameron. It's his birthday. We just met him too. We're going to take him to lunch.
Birthday.
Thanks, man.
All right, man.
Take it easy.
Thanks, dude. I really appreciate it. I got the best subscribers ever. Seriously, I love all you guys. Anymore, you just go around riding around, come across friends, man. People that know who you are. I want to say what's up, hang out with you. Too bad Cameron couldn't come to lunch. That would have been fun. But Cameron, if you were watching this video, and I really hope that you are, thank you, man. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Cameron, even if today's lunch sucks, it's still a good lunch, because it was free. Welcome back. I missed you. Lake Forest Drive. This is us. I'm not sure where it's at. It might be in there. I think it's in there. Ah! All right, Snooty Fox, Cameron's treat. All right, guys, the Snooty Fox. Z, got another tuna sandwich.
Another tuna sandwich.
What'd you think?
Well, it was a good sandwich for a mediocre sandwich.
So you didn't really care for it?
It wasn't bad. It wasn't great. It was okay. It was still good. I would recommend it if you do like tuna.
You're saying if you come here, find something else other than the tuna sandwich.
It was a $9 sandwich.
Peter, you kept it real, man. You just got a cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Bacon cheeseburger. What'd you think, man?
It's alright. Better than like Coco's and stuff.
So you liked it better than Coco's. Okay, let's rank it this way. How many cheeseburgers have you had in your life?
A lot.
Hundreds? Millions? Thousands?
Probably thousands.
Thousands. Out of the thousands of cheeseburgers you've had in your life, would this rank in the top 10?
No.
Not even close. Top 20?
No.
Okay. You know, we don't need to embarrass the place, so let's just not even go any further than that. Let's talk about my country fried steak. Would I order it again? Ever? From anywhere? No, I don't think it's for me, man. I think there's going to be a lot of other things on the menu that I'd probably order before I ever got another chicken fried steak. Everything on the table you guys saw came out to about $56. With tip, we're looking at $66. Courtesy of our buddy Cameron. Guy hooked it up.
Thanks, Cameron.
I love you, Cameron.
Yeah, we love you, man. Really appreciate you. We have some of the best subscribers, man. For those of you that stuck with us for the duration of this video, I do appreciate it. Make sure you hit the like button and leave us a comment. And subscribe if you haven't already. Much love to all the patrons of the channel. You know who you are. Love each and every one of you. And let's not forget, support the channel partners. Without them, we definitely wouldn't be here. With that, I'll catch you guys later. Like old times, see. Come on.